Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today we are going to look at a new topic that is limiting factor. Okay, so I am your lecturer. So welcome everybody. Let's listen to this new topic. You are going to see here that we are going to learn about limiting factor. So now what is limiting factor? So limiting factor is actually quite an easy topic. I'm sure that you can understand it easily and fairly. So for a start, let's just imagine this. What is it that you want in this world? Normally, what money can buy. So when you are in the class, I will ask you this question. So your answers will normally be about I want big cars, I want big house, big wife. I want a jet to travel around the world, to buy this, to buy that. So that would be nice, isn't it? Okay, and then my next question will take you back to reality. My next question will be, how much money do you have? So some of you say, I only have 2 ringgit, I only have 10 ringgit. So that's too bad. Thinking about what you want and comparing it to what you have. So what you want is always your wish. So our wish is always so unlimited. We want so much. And that is normally does not correspond to our resources because we have so little money. We have so limited resources. Okay? But what to say? That's life. And then, that is for you. But what about a company? So if you can understand it in your context, then it will also be it will be easy to understand. The company is also facing the same thing. Because company, they also want a lot. So what do they want? They want to maximize their profit. Okay, so that is their main aim, to maximize their profit. So how to do that? Normally, they want to produce and sell as much as it can. Yes, they want to produce and then sell it as much as it can so that they can fulfill the demand of their customers and they can be the market leaders. However, company is also facing with the limited resources. Their materials, some of them are in limited supply. Okay, their labor, sometimes labor are also insufficient. And machinery is also, there is insufficient machine hours. And normally all this is because of the capital. There are lack of money. Because of the lack of money, then they cannot hire more people so that they can have sufficient labor hours. And they also cannot buy more machineries. And they also cannot buy materials. So these are the problem that the company has. This is what we call the limited resources. So if the question asks you about the limited resources or the limited factors that company might have, so these are your answers. It can be the material, it can be the machineries, it can be the labor hours, or it can also be the capital. Okay, so what should the company do? Okay, so normally the company, if they are producing a few products, for example, they have product A, they have product B, and they have product C. So there is a combination of 3 products that they produce and sell. But because of this limited material, limited machineries, limited labor, limited capital, then most probably the best way for them to do is they have to choose the most profitable product mix. So this is what they have to do, to choose the most profitable production mix. How much A should they produce? how much B should be produced and how much C should be produced so that they can produce the most profitable, the highest possible profit. Okay, so should they sacrifice any of this product? Maybe C should be sacrificed so that they can make way for product A, which might be the most profitable. Okay, and whatever uh, available resources can be used to produce A and B, which is most profitable. So how do we choose which product and how much product they are going to produce? So for this, I'll show you in the next video, so stay tuned. See you again. Bye. Please understand this and then go your textbook and then please read the illustration that we have on page 38. Okay, so we are going to do this question so that you can see how are we going to find the most profitable product mix. Thank you.